Divide 726 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 6. So we put down this 2 and it is 12. So 6 times 2 is 12. On subtracting, we get Z. So again we put down this 6 and 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get Z. So 726 divided by 6 is 121. So this much for today and thanks for watching.